So as I told you, the line that was coming from the alternator right there to the oil feed line that's right there was leaking. I don't know why, but it's a high pressure line, so it could be anything. But this piece right here was the piece that was leaking oil, so I'm gonna bring it to get fixed and get you guys back. Hey guys, as you can see how much oil was leaking before. I already replaced the line. It was cheaper than I thought, so I did it fairly quickly. This is the line. As you can see, it goes around there, loops around, and stops right on top of the sensor, the oil sensor. So I already started it up and it seems good, so we're all good here. Hey guys, so as I told you in my last video, the bracket that goes here that holds the AC pump split in half. So it was a self-made bracket, and I'm gonna show you what I mean. The bracket right here, I hope you can see it. So this goes like this, and as you can see, it's very thin. And what I'm planning to do is weld this together again, and then make a template out of this steel, this galvanized steel. So as you can see, if you turn this around, you will see that the holes line up. What I'm planning to do is just cutting this and welding it together to make one big plate, and that should be enough to actually replace or remake this whole piece. When working with these kind of tools, always make sure that this is in the off position, because sometimes this can stay on when you're not paying attention. Weld it together, and as you can see, look at the size difference right there. Hope you can see that. So yeah, let's put it on the car and see if it'll fit. So I'm all done with the bracket. As you can see, the AC is working correctly again, and this is the bracket right there. If you can see that. But came up pretty good. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. The AC is blowing cold, so I'm happy. This is what happens when you body filler over rust without primering or doing the correct method of body fillering or fibering rust. So this is what you'll find under all the body filler after time goes by. You see that? The body filler will come, the rust will bubble up the body filler over time, and when you go under it you will see that the rust would have eaten through everything. So yeah, this is all body fillered over bare metal. They could have just avoided this if they had just primered it, and this all could have been avoided. You see right here, you can body filler holes, but prep the surface first, or else you'll give the person that owns the car after you a lot of work that was unnecessary. So if you're gonna do it yourself, try to do a good job. Don't be like this guy.